You are following the words of the FedEx CEO. Some words of warning here.
Yeah, CEO Raj Subramanian is talking about the fact that the global economy is slowing down, and Federal Express, Melanie, is seen as a bellwether for the economy. If it's shipping a lot of parcels, that's good. The inverse is right now seemingly to be the case, as Federal Express has pulled its earnings guidance. It is putting on, in some cases, a hiring freeze, which at this time of year, FedEx is typically announcing seasonal hiring to ramp up for the holidays. The CEO, though, saying, look, the global economy is slowing down. They are seeing macroeconomic challenges, and that is all about rising inflation, rising interest rates, consumers potentially scaling back, businesses too. So FedEx is seeing its share price this morning crumble by 19%. This is a huge company. I can't understate how big this warning is for the market specifically, Melanie, and I'm watching it play out. Stock futures are down this morning. Commodities have been falling pretty much all week on worries about an economic slowdown in China and elsewhere. And we're also watching the Canadian dollar this morning drop to its lowest level in about a year and a half's time, 75.5 cents. Exchange rate just above $1.32. Everybody's going to that U.S. dollar right now because next week the U.S. central bank is going to be raising interest rates aggressively, and the dollar is typically seen as a safe haven when the markets are kind of going sideways.
That's right. Let's look to the real estate market, which continues to see a cooling.
Yes, indeed. In fact, prices are down substantially here from the February peak, according to the Canadian Real Estate Association. Nationwide, down 22% since February. The sales activity seems to have moderated a little bit from July to August. So maybe we might be reaching a bottom here. But who knows? If interest rates keep ratcheting higher, well, then you've got to start again recalculating what your monthly costs are on a mortgage. And just this week, we saw the U.S. benchmark mortgage rate top 6% for the first time since 2008, and that's happened here as well in the Canadian marketplace. Flip side to this again, and we've seen this, we've talked about this already, how rents are going up. The latest monthly survey on nationwide rents up sharply across the country. I think a one-bedroom here in the city is around $2,300, and that's up 17% from a year ago.
I got 30 seconds left with you, Mike. Sorry for the rush here, but I want to get this in here. Okay. Air Canada releasing or purchasing what?
Yeah, electric planes, electric hybrid planes from a company out of Sweden, Heart Aerospace. These might be in operation as soon as 2028, so they're still years in advance. But Air Canada wants to lower its carbon footprint, and these are for short haul flights. Let's not kid ourselves. We're not talking about transatlantic or anything of that nature, but planes that can do 400, 800 kilometers one way on electric power, batteries, and then a generator kicks in to give that extra boost to get from point A to point B. Kind of an interesting trend here, and we're going to see likely more of this in the aerospace industry.